Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon, boys. Thank you so much for your participation during the class. Today we have started lesson number 4, although we didn't finish, but I'll summarize the whole lesson in this video so you can check it out. Tallest, longest, and heaviest. So this is the name of this lesson. What is the biggest animal you have ever seen in your life, and the smallest as well? So this is the question which I asked you during the class. Now let us summarize this whole lesson. You can see the question number 2. Look at the very small animals in the fact file. Here you can see the fact file. Very small animals include dart frog, mouse, lemur, as well as hedgehog. So there are 3 questions that we are going to answer. The hedgehog is the longest. How long it is it, and which is the lightest? How much does it weigh, and which is the lighter, the mouse, lemur, or the dart frog? So you can see the answer of these first 3 questions here, 1, 2, and 3. Number 1 is 25 centimeter long. Number 2 is dart frog, and only 2 grams. And you can see number 3 is again dart frog, right? That's such a small, very cute creature. Then you see the very big animals as well as the very small animals. Big animals, there are 3 animals: giraffe, African elephant, and camel. Giraffe is 5 meters tall and it has 1,000 kg weight, although the African elephant is 3 meters tall, it has 5,000 kg weight, and camel is only 2 meters tall, which weighs almost 600 kg. Then if we talk about the very small animals, so we can see the dart frog, only 1 centimeter long, and the weight is only 2 grams. Then there's a mouse, lemur, who has 6 centimeter, who's 6 centimeter long, and its weight is 45 grams. Hedgehog is 25 centimeter long, its weight is 500 grams, right? So you can compare these creatures, the smallest and as well as the biggest. Now let's look at this question number 4 and 5. What do you think is the tallest one? What do you think is the heavier one? So it can be your own answer as well as the actual answer is the giraffe and African elephant, right? The heavier African elephant and the tallest is giraffe. And let's go down, ask and answer the question about the animals with your partner. So you can ask your friends and families or the class fellows about these all things. That is the hedgehog heavier than the camel? No, absolutely it is not. And is the dart frog the lightest animal? Yes, it is. Right? Look at the picture of containers from A to D, and there are 7 questions that we are going to answer. Number 1, which container is the tallest? Which one is the shortest? Right? Here, take a look at that. One is the C is tallest, as the A is shortest. C is tallest, A is shortest, right? Then which container is the widest and which is the narrowest? So you can see that D is the widest, although the B is narrowest, right? And number 3, that which do you think will hold more water, A or B? It's up to you that you are going to answer this question from your mind. Which do you think will hold more water, C or D? It's up to you. Try to measure these containers. Which do you think that hold less water, A or D? Right? That's definitely A. That's obvious. Which container do you think that hold most water? C or D? And which do you think that will hold the least water? Again, it's up to you, right? So the first 2 questions I have mentioned, the rest of the questions that you are going to answer by yourself. Just use your brain and write down. Get 4 containers, let's find it out. Let's get 4 containers that are different shapes and sizes. Line up the containers, start with the one you think will hold the least water, and finish with one you think that will hold the most water. Label the containers A, B, C, D and get some water and test it out. So it's an experiment that you can do it. And when you'll find the result, so you can mention the container A, B, or C. That container A, for example, it holds the most water. Container B holds the least water, or container C holds the more water than container A. Right? This is how you do it. Then write the instruction for how to do the experiment. Use first, next, and final. Very interesting task that you're going to complete. So this is it about this lesson number 4, the tallest, longest, as well as heaviest, right? I'll see you in the next class. Take good care of yourself. Goodbye.